Okay, listen up, because I got a respirator on. You think kitchen drains smell bad? Wait till you see this. This is a first for me. So, I was trying to clear this laundry drain. Got your laundry machines right here, washer. Trying to clear this drain from the standpipe, right? Couldn't clear it. Kept pulling stuff back, but couldn't clear it. So I was like, all right, I'm going to put in a clean out, right? So I open up the wall, and I was going to also make it 2-inch, but it's 1.5 inches top and bottom. So I just cut the trap arm, and I pull out that right there. Oh shit. Excuse my French. I pull out this right here. Let me get it out of here. It is very tight in there. So I pull out this. What does that look like? That is a rat. I tried like 5 times to clear the frickin'. I tried twice through the standpipe, and then I tried 3 times with the trap arm cut like I have it, and then the last time I pulled that out, and it smelled so bad. I was like, what is that frickin' smell? It's like, what is that? That is the worst smelling clog I've ever smelled. It's a freaking rat, dude. Oh my gosh. It is really disgusting. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I've had poop water on my face. I've gotten poop on my arms, sewer water on me, all over me. This is the pinnacle of disgusting. I can't even look at it. So I thought you guys would like to look at it. Enjoy. That by far is the nastiest smell, the nastiest thing I've ever had to deal with, by far. I took the entire cable out and washed it off because it stunk so bad. Nasty. That's the worst by far. This is what I kept pulling out, which is actually, that's rat fur. But it just looks like what you would pull out of a laundry drain, you know? I kept pulling it out and I was like, what the heck is this stuff? I snaked it 5 or 6 times. Oh, this one's too much. I'm gonna have to snake out a few more rats before I get used to that. I don't know, man. There's something really disgusting about that to me. The smell is just unlike anything I've ever experienced. I mean, I literally smell it through my respirator. I kid you not. And this is a new respirator, new filters. Ugh. That's just too much for me, man. I installed these. draining good now. Oh yeah, I documented it. Yes, sir. I like it. I like the title. It's raining now.